Top 5 scary moments when big cats attack and eat young prey. There is one place where intense, bloody wars still happen regularly. It is the wild nature of this earth. There is a family that thrives and develops over time and space. It is the big cat family. Today, let's discover the scary moments when big cats attack and eat the young of other animals. Let's start the adventure. Cats still like to conquer difficult challenges. It can kill a wildebeest easily with the right strategy. When all was in sight, the leopard began to act quickly and choose the right moment. It can kill an antelope in a few seconds. Leopards live in dry deserts or semi-deserts. The lioness is trying to approach a young buffalo. However, the young buffalo is very lucky to have a mother to follow and protect. Each attack from the lioness, the mother buffalo resists very fiercely and always uses her large and strong body to protect her cub. The mother buffalo tried to chase the lion away. It tried to protect her young to the end. Quickly, it aimed at the young buffalo and made a devilish blow to kill the small prey. The lioness thought it was able to drag the body of the prey away, but the mother buffalo returned and pushed on the body of the lioness. The lion still did not give up. It finds more allies. There are 2 lionesses to come back to separate the mother buffalo from the young buffalo. This strategy was most effective. The young buffalo was bitten to death, and the mother buffalo was chased and bitten by the other 2 lionesses. That is the harshness of the battle of life and death, where evil and the strong will survive more easily. It can also be considered as a fight for survival according to the inevitable rules of nature. The lion is also one of the big cats that often hunt with a clear strategy. Most of them are opportunists, ambushing their prey and using quick, short attack strategy. Once they have chosen a target to defeat, these big cats act extremely intelligent and agile. The lions spread out from many directions to separate the wildebeest group. The whole group of wildebeest will run away, even trampling on each other to escape. This will make the lion beneficial and attack the weak one very easily. One of them grabbed its prey in a flash. Cat attacked the young wildebeest. It bit the baby's neck and ran away. It seemed a little frightened when it saw the mother wildebeest appear to save her baby. The mother wildebeest tries to wake up the baby wildebeest. She is very angry when her baby is attacked, but it is too late. It is trying to push the baby wildebeest up and continuing to keep its baby safe. But after a while, the mother wildebeest also realized something. It also realized that the baby wildebeest was difficult to survive. The baby wildebeest was no longer strong enough to overcome the barbarous bite from the big cat. The mother wildebeest remained behind to observe the situation and try to scare away the return of the big cat. However, after beholding the young weakened, it also gradually lost hope that the baby wildebeest would survive again. The mother wildebeest has left. After observing the favorable situation, the big cat rushed out to continue its unfinished hunt. Although the mother wildebeest is not willing to leave the young alone, it cannot save the young anymore. The leopard is still being monitored by the mother wildebeest, so it cannot easily carry the carcass of the prey up the tree. In the end, it decided to wait for the baby wildebeest to die and handle it later. Sometimes big cats also have a hobby of playing with their prey. It does not attack quickly to eat meat, but chooses to play hyperactivity with its prey. After playing with the prey, the big cat decided to chase and catch the young wildebeest. After a few rounds of chasing, the big cat grabbed the young wildebeest's neck. It carried the carcass of its prey to a safe place and began to eat. Just choose to hunt big animals. Sometimes it can catch young prey to enjoy when hunger starves. On the other hand, the young are usually quite weak and easier to chase. After playing bored, the lion begins to kill the prey and enjoy. Perhaps neither of these lions thought that this was their main meal of the day, but just a snack to combat hunger. Through the formidable moments of attacking, chasing, and eating the young of big cats, what do you think of the power and ambition of this predator? Comment below to let everyone know what you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel to update soon, and follow the latest videos. See you in the next videos. Thank you.